These AI tools help me edit my videos 10x faster. And if you use this tool, then you can make your editing way more faster and you can make it more efficiently. So I'm going to tell you about some AI tools that you can use and automate your editing process. With this tool, you can edit videos more professionally and more efficiently. Segment first, Auto Scene Cut Detection tool. Let's be honest, everybody know how much time we waste on cutting clips manually to make it more engaging. But when you have to edit your videos faster, when you have faster deadline, then you can be doing this manually because that will take you a lot of time. And I don't want you to waste that much of a time because you can do anything in that time. और हाँ, जो टाइम बचा है उसमें मेरी वीडियो देख लो. Well, instead of cutting clips manually, we are going to use a tool named Auto Scene Cut Detection. You can use this tool in Premiere Pro and DaVinci also. And it is very easy to use because you just need to bring your clip into the timeline and then you need to select the clip. And then you need to right click on it and then you will see a tool, Scene Cut Detection. And now it will automatically cut the parts where you have changed the camera position or where you have changed the camera angles. Segment 2. AI Audio Enhancement. Doesn't matter how much good of a video you make or how much good your video looks, then no one is going to watch your video. But on the other hand, if you have decent video quality and a good audio quality, then it will work, then people are going to watch it. So you need to work on your audio. Well, again, if visuals are the hero of the video, then audio is the heroine of the video. So you need to take care of her too. But भाई मेरे पास तो माइक्रोफोन ही नहीं है, तो भाई Amazon से ऑर्डर कर ले. बट भाई वो well, it doesn't matter if you have a microphone or not because all you need is a smartphone, because you just need to record your audio and you can use AI audio enhancing tool to make it sound like studio audio. And to do that, you just need to record your audio and then you need to go to Adobe Podcast and there you are going to upload your audio file. And then you are going to make some changes according to your audio and now your audio will be enhanced. And make sure that you don't tweak it to the 100 because
then your audio will sound like a robot.
Segment 3. Text-based editing. अरे ये तो मैं पहले से करता हूँ भाई. मैं तुझे नूब समझता था बट लगता तू भी प्रो है भाई. आसान तो है, बस टेक्स्ट ही तो डालनी वीडियो में. Well, let me change it for you. Segment 3. Prompt-based editing. He doesn't know, but let me tell you this. Instead of wasting hours and hours finding a best clip for your video, and even after wasting that time, you don't find the clip that you need. तो भाई करे क्या? Well, instead of finding the clips on internet for your video, you can generate them with the help of AI. अरे पिक्चर तो मुझे भी जनरेट करनी आती है भाई, बट मुझे तो वीडियो चाहिए. Well, for that you can use AI models like RunwayML, in which you just need to upload your picture and it will automatically convert into a video. So you don't need to waste hours of your day in finding the right clip because you can generate it with the help of AI. You just need to tell the AI what are the things you need and AI will do it for you. Make me a pro editor. Bro, even AI has limits. Well, these AI tools help me save a lot of time, and if you use them, then you can save your time too. And you can edit your videos more efficiently with AI, and you can automate your work. Then you can save your